Angelica.
Whose beginning letter is C? Which of these is our national animal? Who gives us honey? Which of these is different? Which of these is our national bird? Which of these is odd? Which of these animal guards our house? Which of these is our national flower? Which of these is different? Who likes to eat bones? Who gives us eggs? What does cat likes to eat? Which of these is favorite food of monkey? Who likes to eat chili? Whose favorite food is carrot? Who likes to eat nectar from flowers? Which body part helps us to smell?
Which of these belongs to air transport? Which body part helps us to listen? Which of these belongs to road transport? Which body part helps us to see? Which of these belongs to water transport? Which of these is a vegetable? Which of these is the tallest? What is the beginning letter of this?
What is the beginning letter of this? House. What is the beginning letter of house? House. Yes.
What is the beginning letter of this? How many bananas can you see? How many ice creams can you see? Who lives in a coop? How many flowers can you see? What is the beginning letter of this? Count yellow circles. What is the beginning letter of this? What comes next? What is the beginning letter of this?
Almonds. What is the beginning letter of almonds? Yes.
What time is this clock showing? What comes next? Whose baby is called foam? What comes next? Whose beginning letter is R? Whose beginning letter is P?
Whose beginning letter is P? P.
Which pencil is longer? Whose beginning letter is L? Which of these clocks is facing 5 o'clock?
5 o'clock. Which clock is showing 5 o'clock?